The beauty of tiger prawns is not only in their size, weight, or biomass, or their beautiful and interesting, mysterious type of bending pattern. So local call it Vaghyo. Vag means tiger. So I don't know how the name has evolved because both match tiger prawn as well as Vaghyo both match. I'm very sure that a lot of knowledge was picked up by Goans from tiger prawn preparations in Southeast Asia during the Portuguese period, 1510 to 1961. There was a lot of trade interaction between Southeast Asia, Japan, Chinese coast, Macau, and Goa. And through this trade, the sailors also imported lots of this knowledge about cooking these tiger prawns, baking them, roasting them, frying them, making various types of Chinese preparation out of these tiger prawns. And today, when we look at this gift of tiger prawns to Goa and Goan fisheries, there is still a lot of scope for increasing its production and providing rich, nutritious food, protein rich food, vitamin B12 complex rich food. And this is the right way of keeping us healthy and fit physically. And I strongly recommend people to patronize all the restaurants in Goa when they visit Goa. There are dozens of restaurants which serve different types of tiger prawn or wagyu preparations, and they are quite reasonable in prices as well as in the quantity. That's why nobody who visits Goa should uh, forget about tiger prawns and tiger prawns preparation. And of course, not all Goans will be able to afford these tiger prawns every day since they are very expensive. 1,000 rupees a kilogram or around 50 rupees each is not anybody's idea of having tiger prawns when you get a thali in any hotel for 40-50 rupees these days with many items. Nobody would spend 50 rupees per tiger prawn, but they are worth it in terms of concentrated nutrition, concentrated proteins, digestible proteins, and a very healthy food. So from Cumbarjua Canal, I got this gift of tiger prawns, which we are going to release today in our house. And this series of videos is basically for awareness and education, and also to express the Goa's traditional anthropology of consumption of fish and shellfish in a way which our ancestors have taught us. And that is being recorded here so that we encourage this type of traditional sustainable fisheries, because not many aquaculture farms do this in Goa, and people can easily distinguish between cultivated and cultured aquaculture tiger prawns and natural tiger prawns like this, which have come directly from Cumbarjua Canal, estuarine stretch of the Cumbarjua Canal. And beauty of all that is that the canal has given sufficient nutrition for these to grow to this size. And I doubt whether there would be any danger to the production of these, because the tiger prawns produce up to 800,000 eggs at night when they mate. And imagine even 10% survive, then it will be uh, 80,000 eggs. And out of these, even 10% survive, we can get 8,000 baby tiger prawns. So that is how the catch can be maintained. And our fishermen from Markaim also are very intelligent, and they wait till night because that is the time when the tiger prawns are available in abundance. During daytime, they hide somewhere. So they are caught at the right time, and that is how this nocturnal catch has landed in our plate today.